Do you know which country has this shape? It's Nauru, a tiny island that went from being the wealthiest nation on Earth to a bankrupt lunar wasteland. Nauru is a tiny, oval-shaped speck in the vast Pacific Ocean, located just south of the equator in Micronesia. Spanning only 21 square kilometers, it is the smallest republic in the world. Unlike its neighbors, Nauru isn't an archipelago. It's a single uplifted coral limestone island surrounded by a coral reef. The center of the island is a high plateau that was once covered in thick layers of phosphate, though today it looks more like a lunar landscape. With a population of around 12,000 people, Nauru is a close-knit community. It has no official capital city, though Yaren serves as the main administrative district where the government and airport are located. The official languages are Nauruan and English, and because of its close ties with its neighbors, the Australian dollar is the official currency. Nauru was settled by Micronesian and Polynesian people over 3,000 years ago, divided into 12 original tribes. After being a German colony and later a British-Australian-New Zealand Trust territory, it gained independence in 1968. However, its history is defined by phosphate. For decades, the island was strip-mined for its bird guano deposits, which were world-class fertilizers. In the 1970s and 80s, this made Nauruan citizens among the richest people on the planet, but the wealth wouldn't last forever. The Nauruan people have a culture deeply rooted in the sea. Despite the modernization of the island, traditional crafts like canoe building and reef fishing remain important. Interestingly, weightlifting is the national obsession. Nauru has produced world-class champions who consistently punch above their weight in international competitions. However, the island also faces a health crisis, with some of the highest rates of obesity and type 2 diabetes in the world due to the transition from traditional diets to imported processed foods. Nauru's economy is a shadow of its former self. Once the phosphate ran out, the nation faced bankruptcy. Today, the economy relies heavily on foreign aid, particularly from Australia, and the sale of fishing licenses in its vast territorial waters. The island also served as a controversial regional processing center for refugees. Tourism is almost non-existent, with only a few hundred visitors a year, making it one of the least visited countries on Earth. Today, Nauru is looking for ways to survive in a changing world. It is one of the most vulnerable nations to climate change and rising sea levels. The government is focusing on land rehabilitation to fix the damage caused by decades of mining and exploring deep-sea minerals. For Nauru, the future is about resilience and finding a way to rebuild their paradise from the white rocks that once brought them unimaginable fortune. Which country should we explore next? Leave your suggestion in the comments and join us on this journey around the world.